Tuesday. Okay. So these are the assignment questions that we have to do. First one is, oh, nice. Let's start with this one. The first question here. Which of the following has largest number of atoms? Okay, which of the following has largest number of atoms? And you have been given the atomic masses of everything. Okay, largest number of atoms. Please see. We'll calculate the number of atoms in all of the cases. Okay, Aisha, Iram, Fahad, and Fatim. All of you will concentrate here. The first one, 1 gram of AU. 1 gram of AU will contain how many atoms? So first of all, what you will calculate the number of moles. You'll always convert each and everything to number of moles. So number of moles is equal to, Fatima, you remember, given mass upon, Fatima, what? Given mass upon? Fatima, you tell me. Bhul gaye aap, Fatima. Your mic is off, by the way, if you're speaking something. Fatima, are you there?
Yes, sir.
No, Fatima is not here. Tell me, given mass upon? आपने notes लिखे थे? Sorry. Did you write notes last time?
Yes, sir.
Where is that notes? Where is that note?
Sir, I'm searching. Sir, given mass by molar mass.
Got it now? Okay. Okay. Given mass upon molar mass. So what is the given mass? What is the given mass is 1 gram. What is the molar mass given here? Tell me. What is the molar mass? 197 grams per mole. You will keep it like this. You will not convert it to anything. Okay, you will not convert it to anything. And this will be giving you number of moles, which will be equal to 1 upon 197 moles. And you remember what is mole? It is 1 upon 197 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Or you can write it as 1 upon 197 into 6.022 into, oh sorry, into Na. Na means Avogadro's constant. Clear? Yes or no? Please tell me. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Anna, this will be what? Number of atoms. This will be your number of atoms. Did you revise, Fatima, whatever we learned in the last class? Did you look at it once? Did you try the questions once more?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, fine. Now you tell me for, we will directly write number of atom for Na. Okay, we'll directly write number of atom for Na. Look at how we have done this for gold Au, and tell me what will be the number of atoms for Na for sodium atom. For sodium, it will be equal to how much? 1 upon
1 by 23.
1 by 23 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Correct? Yes or no? Correct, correct, correct. Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, tell me for lithium. This 1 gram of sodium. 1 gram of lithium. Tell me. It will be equal to 1 upon
1 by 35.5 into
1.
6.022.
Lithium.
7.
7. Right. Number of atom is equal to 1 upon 7 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Correct? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then what do we have here? last one is, fourth one is 1 gram of Cl2, right? 1 gram of Cl2. Yes or no? Hello, Fatima. Hi, Anna. Yes or no?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, okay, fine. Now, 1 gram of Cl2, number of atom will be how much? Tell me. How many number of atom will be?
So 1 by
1 by
35.5
35.5 into
into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23.
10 raised to 23. Okay. So see, I mean, this is fine, but actually we have, since here Cl2, right? We have 2 chlorine atoms, correct? Yes or no? Okay. So I will be writing here, number of atom will be divided by 70. Okay, divided by 70. But since we have here 2 chlorine atoms, I will be multiplying this by 2 also. Right? Yes or no? You got my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but again, it will be coming, it will be equal to 1 upon 35.5 only. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Right? It will be equal to 1 upon 35.5 only. Yes. Okay. What about others? All of you agree with these answers? Yes or no? Tell me. Fahad, Aisha, and Iram. All of you agree with these answers?
So why did you multiply
Yes.
it by 2?
Because we will be having 2 chlorine atoms in one molecule, na?
Oh,
Number.
okay.
Got
Yes.
it?
Yes.
है ना? What about others? Iram and Aisha? आया नहीं आया आप लोगों को? Aisha and Iram?
Yes, I have.
आया? Okay. What about Aisha? Aisha, you got this? Yes or no?
Sir,
Aisha नहीं है.
1 by 35.5 into 2 आएगा, right? तो फिर एक और 2 कहाँ से आएगा?
एक और 2? नहीं
70 कहाँ से?
70 कहाँ से हम बता रहे. What is the molar mass of Cl2?
35.5.
अरे आयशा,
70?
है ना? 2 chlorines है ना? You have 2 chlorines, right?
अच्छा हाँ.
है ना? So ये 71 हो जाएगा, not 70 to be exact. 71 हो जाएगा, right? 71, 35.5 plus 35.5 will be equal to 5501. 6 5 11 के खात. 6 5 11, 1 here, and 336 plus 1 7. So it will be 71. Got it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but essentially it will be equal to 1 upon 35.5 only. And because 2 into 71, it will be 35.5 into 6.022 into 10 power 23. Now, tell me which is the largest. Which is largest? See, you don't have to compare 6.022 because it is common everywhere. So let us ignore this 6.022 from here. Let us ignore this from here, and from here. You have to compare only fractions now. What you have to compare? Only fractions. What are the fractions? We have 1 upon 197. We have 1 upon 23. We have 1 upon 7. And we have 1 upon 35.5. A, B, C, and D. Which is the largest? Please write in chat. Now it is math. No more chemistry. Which is the largest? Please write in chat. Okay, Fahad and Iram correct. Waiting for others.
Sir, can I say the answer?
No. You have to write in chat. या फिर आप उनको WhatsApp कीजिए. Don't say. Correct, Fatima. अब आयशा आप बोल दीजिए आप.
Sir, 1 by 7.
1 by 7. Correct. Okay. Now let us look at the next question. Chlorophyll. Write this question. Write this question. पहले लिखिए आपने. Oh my, अच्छा, Iram has sent me. Oh, second question नहीं हुआ था Iram से. What about Aisha? Fatima, you are following, right?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, great. Done writing the question, yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so they are saying chlorophyll, the green colored matter of plants, contains 2.68% of magnesium by weight. Calculate the number of magnesium atoms in 2 grams of chlorophyll. So I'll write a few statements here. First, I will write the given statement, that is 2.68 of magnesium by weight. Okay, so we will write chlorophyll has 2.68% of Mg by weight. Okay, fine, very good. Then they are saying we have, how many we have? We have 2 grams of chlorophyll. So we'll write 2 gram of chlorophyll. It will also have 2.68% of magnesium by weight. Correct? Yes or no? Please tell me. Yes or no? Percentage means what? If you have 10 grams also, it will be 2.68%. If you have 100 also grams, it will be 2.68% only. Got it? Yes or no? Please tell me. Aisha,
Yes.
Iram, and Fad. All of you are comfortable with the 2 statements that I have written? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yes. Okay, fine. Now you will calculate. Now, amount of magnesium, that is mass of Mg, is equal to 2.68% means upon 100 into 2, which will be, and all of this you will be getting in grams. Okay, all of this you will be getting in grams. This will be equal to how much? Tell me. 2.68 upon 2.68 upon 50. 50. 50. There will be no use of 50, by the way. What we should do here is 50 करना ही पड़ेगा. 50, which will be equal to 268 into 10 to the power minus 2 upon 50. Okay, this will be equal to how much? 268 upon 5 into 10 to the power minus 3. Calculate this one now. So we'll have 5 5s are, and then we'll have what? 5 3s are, and then we'll have what? 18. T is remaining. So we'll put a point here, and then we'll write 6 into 10 to the power minus 3 grams. Please calculate this now. कितना आ रहा है देखिए. 268.5. 268 by 5. Correct. This is right. 53.6 into 10 to the power minus 3 grams. This is the mass of mg that we have. All of you got the answer? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Sir,
बताइए.
sir, I did it like first I wrote 100 grams of chlorophyll will contain 2.68. So 2 will contain 100 upon 2.68 into 2. That, I mean, 2.
What are you getting? What are you getting?
Mass.
No. I mean, what is the answer that you're getting?
Same, 0.0536.
Same. It's fine. So you started. Tell me, how do you start?
Like
100 contains 2.68. Okay. So 1 will contain 2.68 upon 100.
Yes.
And hence 2 will contain 2.68 upon 100. Same thing we have written.
Yes.
Write this down, all of you.
So
Now
why
what
have
we have to do?
Why have they given the mass of mg?
This is the mass of mg, na?
No, atomic mass of mg, 24.
So they are asking the number of magnesium. वो भी calculate करेंगे ना?
अच्छा,
Number of magnesium atoms. So we'll calculate now number of moles. Then only we'll go to number of atoms. So number of moles of mg is equal to given mass upon molar mass. The given mass is 53.6 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 24 grams. Calculate this now. So we'll get this somewhere around 2. Big grams per mole. So this grams and grams will cancel each other. You get 2.23 grams, sorry, 2.23 moles into 10 to the minus 3 moles. Now number of atoms will be this will be just replace this mole by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. We'll have 2.23 into 10 to the power minus 3 into, for mole we will write 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So you'll get the answer as 2.23 into 6.022 into 10 to the power minus 3 and 23. You will add them, you will get 20. That is it. That is it. By the way, Fahad, what is that edtech thing that you posted on WhatsApp?
For what?
You posted something on WhatsApp? No, you did not. No,
I don't remember.
you don't remember? Wait a second. कोई
अच्छा,
और
वो
फहद थे।
beef frio
हाँ।
something.
हाँ, that जो हम बोल भी नहीं पा रहे। What was that?
So it's an internship type of thing.
Internship for what?
Like it, I'll send you the document.
Okay, fine. Okay, are you going to do that?
Yes.
Oh, when?
Now. Like
Now?
no, actually it's वो चलते रहता है बस वो खत्म नहीं होता
I mean, कुछ काम नहीं होता क्या उसमें?
होता है
होता
नेक्स्ट
है.
मंथ दिल्ली के चीफ मिनिस्टर से मीटिंग है कुछ उसमें
Okay. So it is only applicable for students in Delhi.
नो 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 वर्ल्ड वाइड
What? Okay. So if, for example, I live in a village, okay. If somebody wants to participate from my village, then what do they have to do?
लाइक यू कैन डू द ऑनलाइन पार्ट
We can do the online part. Okay. So for it, okay. Do you know like what is the bracket of classes that contains? Like what class student can participate? Any class?
it's basically it enhances your profile and gives you some uh, experience so it's around for I think 9 to 12 maybe
9 to 12th. Okay, fine.
I'm guessing I'm not sure
Okay, okay. All of you wrote this? Yes or no? Please tell me. All of you wrote this?
Yes.
Okay. Now, write this. Calculate the number of moles. You can calculate this now? Yes or no? Tell me. Do you need something? Molar masses of aluminium and calcium. I think you will have for calcium in your notebook, right? For aluminium, I will give you. Aluminium molar mass is 30. Sorry, 30, 27. Okay, so for calcium, you will look at your notebooks. Oh, I have given this question twice. Delete this. Yes. Anyone done? Fatima? Aisha, Iram, anyone? Yes, Fatima, tell me. Are you stuck? Are you getting stuck somewhere?
No, sir.
Fatima,
No, sir. Is the first one 0.054?
how much? Tell me.
0.054?
Did you get any hint?
No, sir.
No. Okay, so let me say it out loud. Number of moles will be equal to, tell me what? Given mass.
Given mass by molar mass.
Very good. What is the given mass?
1.46
1.46 watt. What is the unit?
kg.
Not kg. It is metric tons, right?
Yes, sir.
And 1 metric ton is equal to 10 to the power 3 kg. Okay. So I can write it 1.46 metric tons, or instead of metric tons, I can write into 10 to the power 3 kg. Now, instead of kg, what is k? K means 10 to the power 3. Kilo means 1000. Instead of k, what I'm writing? I'm writing 10 to the power 3, and then I write grams. What is the molar mass? 27 grams per mole. Now, this grams and grams will cancel out each other, and you will get this as 1.46 into 10 to the power 3, and 3 is what? 6 divided by 27 moles. Now you tell the answer. What was the answer you are getting? I think you divided this part, right? 27 and 1.46.
Sorry, 0.054 into 10 raised to 6 more.
Okay, you're getting that now. Anyone else? Aisha, Iram, Fahad?
I got the answer 54.
54 only?
Yes.
No, I think you forgot this kg, right? You forgot this k.
Yes, 54 into 10 power 6.
10 to the power 6 or 3?
Oh, sorry,
I
3.
So you'll get this value as 0.054 into 10 to the power 6. We can write this as 54 into 10 to the power 3 also. Okay. This will be moles. This many moles are there. These many moles are there. Okay. Similarly for 7.9 mg. So here mg is what? Milli. So given mass upon molar mass is equal to 7.9 into 10 to the power millis minus 3 grams divided by, what is the molar mass of calcium? 40 grams per mole. Acha, I have to ask something. How many of you are doing physics here? Aisha, Iram, Fahad, Fatima.
Yeah.
Are you guys? Yes, physics also. So in physics, have you been taught basic mathematics?
Physics, as in from Learnivio?
From Learnivio, yeah.
No.
No. Okay. Sorry. Aisha and Iram, have you been taught basic maths?
Sir, integration.
Integration and graphs and units and log also maybe.
Yes.
Aisha?
Yes.
पढ़ा है ना आप लोगों ने? Okay, so I think this is calculatable, right? Now you can calculate this part. 7.9 into 10 to the power minus 3 upon 40. Okay, this question is also same. This question is also same. Now, if you want the molar mass of any element now, then in your NCERT only, go to the end. Okay, and then flip some pages here and there. And in that, you will get a very big table in which you have been given the molar masses or the atomic masses in terms of in alphabetical order. Okay, so if you want the molar mass of, let us say, iron or silicon or carbon, then you can go to that page and then you can find it out. Okay. Okay, I will do this question now. Calculate the number of atoms in each of the following. So whenever you have the number of atoms, you will first of all see if it is given in moles, then you will just convert it to number. If it is given in U, that means atomic mass unit, then you will divide this by atomic weight. If it is given in gram, then you will divide this by the gram atomic mass. Okay, so gram molecular mass and then gram atomic mass. If you have this gram, then you will divide this by gram atomic mass. If you have it as U, then you will divide this by the atomic mass. If you have only moles, then you will just multiply it by 6.022 into 10 power minus 20, 10 to the power 23. In the solution, you will write for number 1, 52 moles of argon will be equal to, now instead of mole, what I will write? 52 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of argon. Second is 52 U of helium. Now here I will write the atomic mass, so I will get the number of atoms. So what is helium? Helium is 52 divided by, what is the mass of helium? It is 4 U per atom. Okay, 4 U per atom. So we'll get this as how much? Tell me. 13, na? 13. This is U also here. So U and U will cancel each other and we will get 13 atoms. Now, third one is 52 grams of helium. This will be equal to 52 grams divided by, this will be now 4 grams per mole. This is the 4 gram is the mass of 1 mole. 4 grams is the mass of 1 mole. 4 U is the mass of 1 atom. Then I will get grams and gram cancel and you will get this as 13 moles. And this will be equal to 13 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So in 52 moles of argon, we have the highest number. This is highest here. Then we have this 52 grams of helium, and at last we have the second one. So first one has the highest number of atoms, followed by the third one, and followed by the second one. Yeah, tell me. Second one. This one. What is the question, Aisha? Can you read the question for me?
It was like the excitement had died down.
52. आप बाहर घूम रही हैं क्या, आयशा? हाँ आयशा? नो, घर पे हैं आप? Okay, fine. ऐसा लग रहा that Google lady is speaking the directions. Okay, 52 U of helium. 52 U means what? What is the meaning of U? Do you know what is this U, Aisha? Oh, okay, fine. This U is nothing. It is equivalent to 1 U is equal to 1 AMU. You know what is 1 AMU, right?
Yes.
Okay, so this is now 52 atomic mass unit. I want to know how many atoms are present of what? Of helium. In 52 AMU. What is the mass of one helium atom? The mass of one helium atom is 4 AMU per atom, right? 4 AMU is the mass of one atom. And now what we can do? We can cancel this by 13. Now AMU and AMU will get cancelled. And I will get this as 13. This atom inverse will come above and we get 13 atoms. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Done. Can I move forward? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right, next. Calculate the number of carbon atoms. Calculate the number of carbon atoms in. Calculate the number of carbon atoms in 0.5 moles of C6H12O6. Guys are doing, or should I do this? Tell me. Yes, yes, yes. Tell me. Should I do this? या हो जाएगा?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Fine. So see. First of all, how many of you have some thoughts how to approach this question? Because see, there is a way of doing this question, but it is logical. So I want to go through that logical way. Whatever in your mind is there, please tell me. Aisha, tell me first. कुछ है दिमाग में आपके, like how to approach this
Yes,
problem?
sir. Yes, sir.
No, ठीक है. Simply, we will simplify this. Okay, we'll simplify this. I will take a bit of time, but please listen. Tell me, if I will ask you calculate the number of carbon atoms in one molecule of C6H12O6. Now, how many of you can answer? Tell me. If I have one molecule of C6H12O6, then उसमें कितने carbon atom? How many carbon atoms we have in one molecule of C6H12O6? Please tell me. Aisha, Iram, Fahad, and
6.
Fatima.
Sir, 6.
6. All of you can answer. Fatima, Fahad.
Yes, sir. 6.
Yes, 6. Okay. Now you tell me, if I will tell you how many carbon atoms are there in 100 molecules of C6H12O6, tell me. If I have 100 molecules, then how many carbon atoms will be there?
600.
600, right? All of you got it? Yes or no? Please tell me. Ha. Yes or no? All of you got it? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. If I will tell you, let us say I am telling you, calculate the number of atoms in 1 dozen molecules of C6H12O6. How many? 1 dozen. 1 dozen molecules of C6H12O6.
72.
So it will be, we will say that we will have 6 dozen. Yes or no? 6 dozen atoms of carbon. Correct? Yes or no? Please tell me. Yes, Aisha, Iram, Fahad, Fatima. Any doubt?
Where is the answer? 3.011 into 10 to the power 23.
What about others? Aisha, Iram, you got this one? 6 dozen, yes or no? Tell me.
Yes.
Aisha, Iram,
Yes, sir.
got it. Okay, fine. Now, if I will tell you, I have half dozen. Then आप क्या बोलिएगा? Then how many molecules are there? Tell me. How many molecules? How many atoms of carbon?
3 dozen.
3 atoms. 3 dozen.
3, right? That means you will say 6 by 2 dozen. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now mole is also like dozen only. Na? I have to told this. Now, if you are answering for dozen, you can answer for mole also. How many moles do we have? Tell me. How many moles do we have? How many moles? 0.5. That means half mole. Yes or no? Correct.
Yes.
So I will write number of carbon atoms. Answer in terms of moles only. Okay, first carbon atoms is equal to 6 by 2 moles. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No. Now, what is 1 mole? What is 1 dozen? 1 dozen is 12. 1 mole is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Okay, so you will get this as 3 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. This will be equal to approximately, you will write 18 into 10 to the power 23. Array, yes or no, please tell me. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Okay, so we can also write this as 18.066, right? I think multiplication is easy here. Now this is exactly equal to Fatima, Fahad, Iram, and Aisha. Easy, yes or no? Very easy.
Sir, can you explain it one more time?
One more time. Okay,
Yes.
you tell me. As we said for half dozen, you told me that there will be 6 by 2 atoms of carbon. Yes or no, Fatima?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. If I will have half mole, then I will have 6 by 2
Yeah.
moles. Correct? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Same thing. Now we also, you know, na, that what is the value of 1 mole? It is 6.022. So I have just replaced this mole by this number 6.022 into 10 power 23. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Whenever you are facing some difficulty, na, you convert, you just replace moles with dozen. If in question mole is there, if mole is not there, then what will you replace? And if mole is there in your question, then you take out the mole and place the dozen there. You will feel comfortable. Write this down. Done, guys? Yes or no? Please tell me. Done, yes or no? Please tell me, guys.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay. Right, next. Okay, if I will ask you, calculate the number of hydrogens in 0.5 mole of, let us say, CH4. Can't hear you. Somebody
Sir,
sent me
12
the-
into 10 to the power 23.
Okay, anyone else getting answer? Fatima, did you get the answer?
Sir, 12.044 into 10 raised to 23.
See, very easy. What did you do? Half into 4 into mole, which was equal to 2 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. 12.044 into 10 to the power 23. Okay. So now I hope you can answer even without doing any calculations. Yes or no? At least in terms of moles. In terms of NA, you can calculate. Yes or no? Please tell me. Yes, Aisha, Iram, Fahad, and Fatima.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Now see, now you have been given directly moles, but you should know that we can calculate moles if we have been given the mass, or if we have been, no, we have to calculate the number of particles, or we have been given the volume of gas. Okay, so now what they will do, they will give you the mass of atom, they will give you the mass of atom, and they will ask you to calculate the number. So from moles, we can also go to number. They will ask you the number of atoms. They will ask you the number of atoms. They can give you three things. They can give you mass. If the mass is given, then you will calculate the mole first, and then you will go to the number. If volume of gas is given, then you will calculate the mole first, and then you will go to the number. So we'll look at the questions regarding mass first. Okay. So please write the question. Calculate the number of let us write carbon atoms. Oh, let us write calculate the number of carbon atoms in 2 grams of CH4. So mass is given. So first of all, from mass you will calculate the moles, and then from moles you will calculate the number. Once you get the moles, you calculate the number. Please don't disturb the fractions. Okay, simplify the fractions. Please don't convert them to decimals. Convert them to decimal at the last step. If you're getting fractions, don't convert them. You will convert them at the last step. How many of you got the number of moles? Please tell me in the chat. Okay, if you got the number of moles, please tell me in chat. For CH4, did we calculate the number of moles? Sorry, the molar mass of CH4? Don't remember. But all of you must know what is the molar mass, or you can calculate the molar mass also. Fatima, this is the answer for this question.
Yeah, sir.
Let us see. Let us see. What did you calculate? Number of carbon atoms. Mm-hmm. What did you calculate? Fatima? Fatima ko pata. Fatima, what did you calculate?
Sir, the
You
number
don't
of
know.
atoms in carbon.
Number of atoms in carbon.
Yeah.
No, you have to calculate the number of carbon atoms in CH4. What you have to calculate?
Yes, sir. I counted. I
Okay,
calculated.
fine. What is the number of moles you got? Tell me. Number of moles
Sure.
is equal to given mass upon
Given-
molar mass.
Yes.
What is the given mass? What is the given mass?
2.
2 grams divided by
12.
no, CH4 is there, na? What is 2 gram is the mass of CH4. So you will take the mass of molar mass of CH4. It will be equal to 12 plus 4, which is equal to 16 grams per mole. Got it? Yes or no? Tell me.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so this will be equal to 1 upon 8 moles. Clear? Yes or no? Please tell me. The number of moles, yes or no? The number of moles of what? Number of moles of CH4. Now, this is the question that you got earlier, right? You got if you have 0.5 mole of CH4. Now you are getting if you have 1 by 8 moles of CH4. So now in 1 by 8 moles of CH4, number of,
So,
हाँ बताइए,
how is it 16 gram? It should be 18, right?
why? Why 18?
CH4.
So carbon is 12, na?
12.
And
And then
hydrogen
4
is,
hydrogen.
so 12 plus 4 is 16.
Oh, okay, sorry. I multiplied it.
Wow. And multiply करने पे आपको 18 मिल रहा है. एक तो गलत,
No,
ऊपर से जो
sir,
गलत
मैंने
वो भी गलत. हाँ ठीक ठीक छोड़ दीजिए. आपने क्या किया पता नहीं. होता है. 11th-12th क्लास में आते आते लोग 6th-7th का चीजें भूल जाते हैं. Fair. So number of carbon atoms will be equal to how much? We have 1 carbon atom here. So we'll have 1 by 8 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Now if I will ask you number of hydrogen atoms, then you will write this as 4 into 1 by 8 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Fatima, got this? Yes or no? Tell me. Fatima?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Aisha, what about you? Any problem?
Yes, I got it.
Got it. Okay, fine, great. Done, guys? Done, everyone? Yes or no? Please tell me. Done,
Yes, sir.
done. Okay, now write the topic. Calculation of number of electrons protons and neutrons. Okay, calculation of number of electrons. Sorry. अरे ये कहाँ चला गया? Okay. Now you write here. If you have, let us say, if you have something like, just a second. Okay. Now, if you have and protons and neutrons of, or rather I should say in an plus or an minus or a. Okay, that means you can have a positively charged cation, a negatively charged anion, and neutral atom. Please remember, in an plus, okay, in an plus, n number of electrons are removed. In an negative, n number of electrons are added. Got it? Yes or no? Please tell me. These 2 points, simple points. Arey, yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. First of all, we'll find how to calculate the number of protons. Please write number of protons. Proton is shown by the letter P positive. Okay, because protons are positively charged. Number of proton is equal to, please write, the sum of Zi, the sum of Zi into Xi, the sum of Zi into Xi into the number of ions. I'll explain each and every part. Done? Yes or no? Tell me.
Done, sir.
Okay. So what is Zi and Xi? So if you have, let us say something like, let us take a complicated atom. Let us take SO4 2 negative. I want to calculate the number of protons in SO4 2 negative. So what I will do, I will write this formula. Now what is Zi here? The Zi means, please write, Zi, it means what? It means the atomic number. Okay, and what is Xi? Xi, it means number of atoms in ion. Number of atoms in ion. Now please listen for SO4 2 negative. Now in SO4 2 negative, what are the atoms we have? We have sulfur and we have oxygen. Number of protons is equal to sum of Zi into Xi. Zi. Now we will take sulfur. We'll write it like this. The atomic number of sulfur will be whatever it is into 1. Why 1? Because we have only one atom in this ion. We have only one sulfur atom. Plus, you tell me oxygen into how much? Tell me. Oxygen into
4.
4. Very good. Oxygen into 4. Okay. Into the number of ions. How many ions do I have? I have only one ion. Yes or no? Correct. I have only one ion. So in SO4 2 negative, it will be like this. And what is the atomic number of sulfur? Tell me. What is the atomic number of sulfur? Atomic number of sulfur is atomic number. Z is atomic number. No? 16. Z is atomic number. 16 into 1 plus oxygen का कितना होता है? Oxygen is 8, right? 8 into 4 into 1. This will be equal to how much? This will be equal to 16 ones are 16, 8 fours are 32. 32 plus 16 will be equal to 48. I hope you understood the meaning of now Zi and Xi. Yes or no? Zi, Xi, Zi, Xi. I hope you got the meaning now. Atomic number, number of atoms. Atomic number, number of atoms in iron. Okay. So this is the formula for number of protons. Now let us see. We'll do one more question. Fatima, you got this? Yes or no? Please tell me for number of protons.
Yes.
Okay. Now, right next. Let us say you have let us see. You have to calculate the number of protons in, is right. Calculate the number of protons in 3.5 into 10 to the power 2 Ca 2 plus iron. Now, whether it is anion or cation, we don't have to worry anything. So we'll write the formula. What is the formula? Number of protons is equal to the summation of Zixi into what? Into the number of ions. This is my number of ion. Okay. And what is, we have only one type of atom in the ion. And what is that? Ca. And how many Ca is present? We have only one Ca into, what is the number of ion? 3.5 into 10 to the power 2. What is the atomic number for calcium? It is 20. So write 20 into 3.5 into 10 to the power 2. So this will be equal to how much? 3.5 into 2, 770 into 2, 10 to the power 2, which will be equal to 7,000 protons. Fatima, Fahad, Aisha, and Iram. You got this? Yes or no? Please tell me. Did you get this? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, fine. Chali. So that is it for today. Okay, that is it for today. One announcement is that on Thursday you will have a test. Okay, you'll have a test on Thursday. Subjective test on Thursday. Okay, the topic will be mole concept. Okay, mole concept, you have to learn about mole as number, mole as mass, and also mole as volume of gas. Also remember, it will not be all numericals. You will get some theoretical question also. Okay, कुछ definition type का भी रहेगा. It will be of 30 marks. And you will be given 30 marks नहीं होगा. It will be of 10 marks and 30 minutes after the class. Okay, after the class. Write this down, all of you. Please write this subjective test on Thursday. Topic is mole concept. Okay, mole as number, mole as mass, mole as volume of gas. 10 marks, 30 minutes. Okay. Check. That is it for today. If you have any doubt, please let me know. I'm stopping the screen share now.